the study of Buddhist principle leaders say based on Jataka story. Yes, sir. This is my context introduction. Jataka's story is the famous story in Buddhist school. So this is one of the 9 Navikasatu Sasanas, Navikasatu Sasana, and Jataka's story is the talking about the former of the Buddha, the career of the Bodhisattvas. Based on Jataka stories, national arts and architecture and develops more. Also, Jataka story shows the daily activity of life. And also, Jataka story includes many things like leadership, economics, politics, and social affairs related to the Bodhisattva's life. Leadership is what is the principle of leadership accounted to scholar definition and their dictionary is their work. Leadership is the capacity to be a leader or the ability to lead. The second one is an influence from process that occurs with the social system. The third one is leadership, such as vision and activity are significant there for a leader. The definition of principle is the beginning, source, root, origin, which is means the fundamental law or a good leader. Overall, the principle leadership is the fundamental law or a good leader who inspires others to grow their capacity and to achieve their goal. The significance of this study, by imitating the Bodhisattva to be a model, people establish the effortless social affair, culture and custom and spiritual development and good attitude. Many principal leadership can be seen in many different ways, such as vision, wisdom, loving kindness, compassion, effort, and so on. In this regard, some selected Jataka will be utilized in order to investigate the Buddhist principle of leadership. These Jataka would be considered as the teaching related to modern principle of leadership to be followed. Aim of this study, Jataka story are the principle to be followed and to be avoided. The aim of this study is to investigate the principle of leadership as depicted in Jataka story. Problem in question is this paper. The main problem is how principle of leadership are applied. How principle of leadership are applied. The relevant question are: what is the relationship between leadership and Jataka stories? What are the Buddhist principle of leadership reflected in selected Jataka story? Which layer apply this principle of leadership? Jataka story includes this hypothesis. Jataka story includes different leaders and different fields. In this paper, the principle of leadership is studied in analytical way. Finally, in the end, the principle of leadership and their application will be identified. For lecture review, here is from both Momo line administration for Jataka, Oliver Abayaniki, fundamentals of Buddhist policy. Many Rajas put it approach to global leadership and share responsibility for sustainable society. Venerable Yanawara, a critical study of the concept of motivation in Jataka story. This is methodology a limitation. For methodology, this is the qualitative research and qualitative research to explore the principle of leadership. The data in this paper gathered from the selected Jataka levels, Jataka story in the commentary in Theravada tradition. Also, the relevant scholar work in academic paper also a qualitative data textual library based on the website in observation. These methods are used. Receiving information organized into 4 categories and apply or report it analytical method to investigate those previous questions. In this paper, leadership is organized 4 categories. Administrative leadership related to king president who has power in a country. Educational leadership, the professor student at university or advisor of king. Prohitas like that. Economic leadership who lead or manage the follower in training. Economic social leadership who search for social welfare and social activity for the welfare of many. For the principle of administrative research, we use 4 Jataka story, Mahahasa, Guru Dhammacariya, and Rajawada, Mahasudha Soma. For the principle of educational leadership, we call it 4 Jataka, Tilamoti Jataka, Bonanati Jataka, Domita Jataka, and Mahasudha Soma also reused again. For the principle of economic leadership, we do Jatakas, Apanaka Jataka, and Unupata Jataka. For the last one, principle of social leadership, two Jataka stories analyze Kulawaka and Kulawaka Jataka and Mahakapi Jataka. Conclusion: this paper is to study this to study the principle of Buddhist leadership in Jataka story. Jataka story based in Theravada tradition. So, Jataka principle are here in conclusion. We will show all principles for administrative leadership. Keeping moral cotton share is the best day and applying it for battery wing. Keeping promise. These principles are necessary, so be followed. For educational leadership, the principles are basic or student future admonition anyone quality the knowledge and skill in me upaya kosala. These are need for educational leadership. These principles are needs for economic leadership, protecting the future of follower. Their warfare of many safe lives and motivation, effort and wholesome attitudes. Economic leadership should follow this, should have these principles. The last one for social leadership, the whole wholesome mantra, be a role model, sacrificing fashion, loving-kindness, and compassion. These principles are necessary for social leadership. Overall, these principles are need or not only leadership, for all leaders need this principle. This primary source and secondary source.
How many Dhammacariya stories that you have selected for your topic?
Yes, sir. I select 11 Jatakas, sir.
What is the base for that?
Yes, sir.
What is the base? What is the criteria that you have selected?
Not to, how to say, to categorize four leaders. Four leaders categories, sir. Like after college, this Jataka is included in four categories of leader.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are Sumana. So you are study of principles of leadership to select the Dhammacariya stories. So I saw you have classified Dhatakas under various topics of leadership. That is the good way. So but how do you think that as a bodhisattva, as a leader encourage, motivate others for the wholesome actions? Bodhisattva himself practice the leadership role. At the same time, he promotes others to become a leader. So have you paid attention to that side? What are the Dhatakas? Can you indicate such Dhammacariya stories? Bodhisattva has motivate others to be the leaders. Have you paid attention to that area?
Maybe Kulawaka Jataka. He is the social Kulawaka Jataka. Kulawaka Jataka. He is social leader. Kulawaka Jataka. He is social leader. Also, he inspires others to grow personality like him.
I didn't hear. Can you say again?
Kulawaka Jataka, sir. At the Jataka, he search for social warfare. Also, his follower he inspires. He encourages his follower to do like him. Also, his follower become like him. Good personality, good attitude, like that.
Then, then can you say what are the leadership qualities we can find out to the Apanaka Jataka?
Apanaka Jataka.
Leadership qualities, yes.
In this Jataka, this quality is he focus on his follower for the welfare of their followers' life, and protects their future good or best. Vision, especially this Jataka shows the vision of the leader, the protecting intelligence.
Okay.
Okay, I think time is over.